Yes, I finally created my vegan channel, so I'm gonna be showing you guys on here how to make all types of stuff. So excited, from all different kind of countries. You know, I don't discriminate when it comes to food. I don't discriminate, period, but I love food so much. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a ton of things. But to get started, I was craving this. I don't know if you guys ever been to California Pizza Kitchen, but they have this barbecue chicken pizza that I'm like obsessed with. I love it so much. Like, it's so good. And I've been craving it lately, but of course it's not vegan because of the cheese and different other ingredients that they use. So I got this idea and I was like, why don't you just make a vegan version? You try to make a vegan version of everything else. Why don't you just try to make a vegan version of that? So I got to thinking, and I've made this once before and it came out really good, and it tastes just like that one, probably even a little better because it's not so commercialized. It's actually homemade with nice fresh raw ingredients. So super excited how to show you guys how to do this, so stay tuned. Let's get right into the video. So first, you're going to start off with any kind of flour. I chose gold medal all-purpose flour. That's the kind of flour I use. You're going to sprinkle that all over your pizza pan, and then you're going to go ahead and give that a nice little rub. You can either use flour to make the pizza dough not stick to the pan, or you can use Pam or any type of cooking spray. Then you're going to go ahead and get your dough of choice. You can make your dough yourself, but I chose to get Trader Joe's garlic herb dough because it's vegan and I absolutely love the way it tastes. It's really good. They have a plain one too, but I really like the garlic and herb one. So once we get that out of there, we're going to go ahead and knead it into a little circle. So you're just going to keep smoothing. You can use a rolling pin, but I personally like to use my hands. It does, when you use your hands, it makes it come out a little thicker, but you know, it's up to you. If you like thin crust, then roll it out. Then you're going to get you some barbecue sauce. I love barbecue sauce. Sweet Baby Ray's, that's the one I use. You want to loosen that up with some water. Really, it's about a half a cup of barbecue sauce and about 4 tablespoons of water. And you're going to just use the water to loosen up the barbecue sauce. That way it is easy to distribute, like I'm doing with the spoon. Then you're going to get your vegan cheese. I use the Trader Joe's vegan mozzarella shreds. They taste really good. And what I love about these cheese shreds is that they actually melt really well. They have coconut oil in it. It's derived from coconut oil, so it's really good with melting. A lot of vegan cheese, they just stay like in the shred form, but this is the brand that I like for pizza and like lasagna and things like that. Also, I used about 1.5 cups of cheese. You don't have to use this much cheese if you don't really like your pizza to be super cheesy, or if you're trying to make a more healthier version, you can use less cheese. But this is just the amount that I chose to use because, you know, your girl loves some cheese. Then you're going to grab your onions. I used about a half a cup of onion. You don't have to use that much, but I love red onion. I think it tastes so good and gives the pizza a really nice flavor. So I use about a half a cup. And then you're going to grab a half a cup of pineapple and go ahead and equally combine that with the onion. That way there's no place that is uncovered. And it kind of gives it a sweet and savory taste along with the barbecue sauce. Like, it makes it taste so good. And I used diced red onion and diced pineapple. I bought them from the supermarket like that. You can buy a regular onion and a regular pineapple and cut it up if you want, or you can use just like the little pineapple cups, but I used fresh pineapples that were cut up already.
And then I am using my Trader Joe's crispy chicken tenders. These chicken tenders taste just like chicken. So if you are looking for a chicken tender that tastes really good, this is definitely good. If you like the brand Gardein, this is like 10 times better than Gardein, and Gardein usually does it. So it's really good. And of course, we don't waste anything in this house. So we are going to use the rest of our barbecue sauce that wasn't able to come out originally and put it all over our pizza. You want to bake your pizza on 425 for about 8 minutes, and then go ahead and put it back in the oven for 6 more minutes, but on 350 instead of 425.
It's really good. It was so good. Alright guys, I'm going to continue eating this. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.